Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to the heart of my home. I've got a very special recipe for you today to curb those sugar cravings. Now, one of the challenges many of my clients come to see me about is about how they can sedate their sweet tooth. Now, a sweet tooth is absolutely okay to have, but it becomes a bit problematic when we're constantly craving sweetness. But I have got a fabulous solution for you. It's a vegetable called bitter gourd, and I'm going to show you how you can change these spiky sensations into this delicious recipe that can be eaten as an accompaniment with your food, in a sandwich, or just as a snack. Let me show you how we're going to do this. Now, don't forget to give this recipe a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you share it with family and friends. So for one of my seasonal favourite recipes, bitter gourd, we're going to need bitter gourd. Now this is the Indian variety. It's lovely and spiky, reminds me of dinosaurs. Great bitter flavour. There are two varieties. There's a Chinese varieties which is slightly smoother. Now when you're choosing the bitter gourd, ensure that it is this luscious green dark colour, because that's the correct way of purchasing them. I've got some sweet onions, I've got some tomatoes, I've got some fresh garlic, half a lemon, and the spices I'm going to be using are cumin, some rock salt, and obviously our lovely organic turmeric. I'm also going to be using one of my favourite ingredients, tamarind. Now this is already slightly wet. I'm going to show you how you can turn this into a paste. And I've also got some sweet jaggery and pomegranate seeds which are dried. That's it. Lovely. Let's get on with the cooking.